Taslim. More Taslim. It's doing much better. Fed it yesterday. Getting a little less sun this morning, early this morning. Even the ones in front that were planted a week ago. It's amazing. These were planted in a styrofoam cup, 16 ounce, 10 plants. The bags that they're growing in, as you can see, these are Walmart bags. It allows them to grow more roots than if you planted them in the ground, which makes for a healthier, bigger plant. The totes are there to not only support the plants, but they're there to hold on to moisture and also to the fertilizer. You can see in the bottom there, moisture. It rained last night. In this bucket here that I got off of a job that served food, it was free. These are cucumbers. Now they already vining because of the fertilizer I'm giving them. Some of these will be removed to smaller ones. We'll keep 2 to a bucket. Eggplants. I'm expecting these to do great things in a few weeks. As I said, none of this ground has been tilled in years. Plants do absolutely great. I simply chop and drop, and that's it. Later.